おはようございます。今日はこれからピザを作ります。What's the first step, Mauro?
First steps is to dissolve the salt in the water, warm water. Then once the salt has been dissolved, you put the yeast inside and you dissolve it with your fingers.
Okay, so
Fresh yeast.
Okay, so
If it's not fresh yeast, it's powder one. Doesn't need to be dissolved with the hands, with the fingers, because it's gonna get dissolved on its own.
So まずお水にお塩を溶かして、その後フレッシュイースト。フレッシュイーストがないときは粉のイーストで大丈夫です。あったかいお水に溶かして粉を少しずつ入れていきます。The water have to be warm water, see?
Yeah, warm. Yeah.
Okay. だいたい人肌のお水に溶かしていきます。How many times we made a pizza, Mauro?
Who counted?
Ooh.
You counted.
Oh, I never count. 続けて粉を入れていきます。So when are we gonna have pizza today? Lunch or dinner or tomorrow morning or?
Well, dinner could be or tomorrow morning. Nothing before dinner.
Okay, so
Can't be.
今は朝なんですけど、今作ったピザの生地は最低今晩のディナーで食べるか、明日の朝食べます。だいたいまとまってきたら今度は手でこねていきます。What's this, Mara?
Oil.
Oil? Which oil?
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Have to be olive oil or can use something else?
Well, olive oil, it gives the taste.
Okay.
Different taste. If you use different oil, you change the taste. So that's his preference.
To use olive
Yeah.
oil. オリーブオイルを使うといい香りが出て美味しいピザができるので、できればオリーブオイルを使った方が美味しく仕上がります。そしてここからどんどんこねていきます。How long we have to play with?
About 10 minutes.
だいたい10分ほどこねていきます。
Yeah, to feel the consistency of the dough. Everything has to be same consistency. Right humidity. That's the difficult part. It has to be sticky, but not too sticky. And that's all.
そう、大体の目安は生地が均一に滑らかになっていることと、あとしっとりしてるけどしっとりしすぎてないことです。ちょっと難しいけど。
Sticky.
Sticky.
A little bit too sticky.
So
you add a bit of flour. But also more you work, more get a bit drier.
Okay.
So don't be worried if it's too sticky at the beginning.
そう、最初のうちは手にくっついたりすることがあるんですけど、こねてるうちにだいたいまとまってきて、生地が落ち着いてきたら一つにまとまりやすくなるので、最初のうちはあまり心配せずにこねていってください。だいぶまとまってきました。How is it?
It's good.
It's good. いい感じだそうです。Done?
Yeah.
Che bello. Hey?
Yeah. You see that they nearly disappear.
Okay.
The fingerprints. That means that the dough is good.
Very good. 指で押して指の形が戻ってくるぐらいの柔らかさになったら生地は完成です。ちっちボンバ。ちっちボンバちっちボンバ。So this is for how many people?
This you can have 6 round pizzas.
Okay. この量でだいたいピザ6枚分が出来上がります。材料の分量はまた動画の説明欄に載せておきます。What are you doing now?
I put a bit of flour into the bowl
Okay.
to try to avoid to stick the dough when you raise.
これから生地を寝かせていくんですけど、ボウルに入れるときに少し粉を振っておくとくっつきにくくなるので生地が取り出しやすくなります。そして乾燥を防ぐために濡れた布巾を上にかぶせておきます。That's it. ここで How long are we gonna rest?
About 3-4 hours up to when you double it on the sides.
まず 3,4 時間寝かせて生地の大きさがだいたい2倍になるぐらいまで寝かせていきます。Very good.
Yeah.
Was it a double size? So this amount we can make 6 pizzas, right?
Yes.
But
Round pizzas.
Okay.
But with the way we do it, that is an easier way. We do the flat pizza.
Okay.
We use only half of the amount. We're gonna work a little bit.
Yeah. Did someone teach you how to make pizza?
No.
No? You learn by yourself?
Yeah.
Good.
Just try every time.
Okay.
Okay. I'll put back the cloth.
Okay.
And we'll leave a rest again.
So this time how many hours or how long?
The longer the better.
Okay.
We will do it for 7-8 hours.
7-8 hours, okay.
Yeah.
You can help too. I'm not gonna use the voice with this process.
Garlic for mom.
Papa want hot pizza? Huh? Che bella.